Guys, welcome back to Chef Mike's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make some chow mein with 3-minute noodles. Very quick, very simple. Over here I have my water boiling already. A little salt, a little oil. And this noodle only takes like 3 minutes. I'm gonna do it vegetarian style. It only takes 3 minutes, guys. This one's gonna be on the fly. Over here we have some red peppers we're gonna use. We have some onions we're gonna use. We have some mushrooms we're gonna put inside. And after I get all these all cut up, then we're gonna get back to you and let you know what the next stage will be. Done. It's been about 3-4 minutes, so we're gonna cool it down. Just put in the sink, run cold water. That's all. Here we have our stir fry pot over here. We're gonna throw in our onions, peppers, carrots, mushrooms. I'm gonna give it a quick saute. There's a little oil. So we're gonna go to basic seasoning, a little bit of magic syrup, all in one all-purpose seasoning. A little garlic powder. I'm gonna add some soy sauce. And I want to add some frozen vegetables. I'm going to add some cauliflower, broccoli. Dump it all in there. Get that sauteed all up. This color ready. We're going to add some sesame seed oil inside. Just a touch. Tablespoon. We're going to add a little black pepper. Cook it saute for about 5 minutes. We're going to add a little teaspoon of regular white sugar. Let it go on saute for a little bit. Be right back when you put the noodles in. Hey guys, straining my noodles. About to add it to my pot. This process only takes 4 minutes to boil the noodles, 3 minutes to saute the veg, and another 2-3 minutes on top of the stove. You can have this meal in under 15 minutes. Very quick, very simple. Look at that. Guys, it's a Guys, this is how I clean my chicken. I use salt, I use vinegar, and I give it a good rub. The salt helps to be abrasive and take some of the slime off of it. When I rinse this, you'll see what I'm talking about. Some people just use vinegar. I like to add the salt, it helps. Try it. Rinse. Now we're back to the seasoning. We're going to do this a basic dry seasoning, garlic powder, teaspoon. We're going to go onion powder, teaspoon. We're going to go chicken seasoning, teaspoon, tablespoon actually. All tablespoons. We're going to drop some Cajun in there. Teaspoon again. We're going to drop some parsley flakes in there just for a
teaspoon or tablespoon?
Teaspoon. This just for color, texture. We're going to drop some paprika in there. Color. And we're going to drop a little bit of oil. We're going to get that all rubbed in to go on. Oh, look at that, bust it already. Good, and just rub it on in there. I'll be back to show you the end result. It's all seasoned. Put them on a baking tray. I have my oven preheating. I'm gonna roast the chicken at 375 degrees for about 40 minutes. So cooking time, I'm gonna give it 40 minutes. Start. Guys, now we're gonna make some steak. I'm gonna show you a very simple and easy basic seasoning for this pan-seared steak sirloin. Black pepper, both sides. Simple salt. Both sides. And I have this nice seasoning from the keg I like to use on my steaks. Both sides. It's as simple as that. Normally I would use this big heavyweight skillet. But we're just gonna use a regular non-stick. And just need enough oil to wet the surface. Okay, so far I have a garlic in there, a little flavor. I got thyme. Add my steak straight to the pan. My steak medium well. If you like it medium rare, you could flip it now, and that would be medium rare. If you're gonna 3 minutes on this side. Veggies for my steak. This is the way I like them. I like them with peppers, mushrooms, and onions. Very simple. Sometimes simple is the best. guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, all those things that you're supposed to do it. Like all of those stuff. Don't worry, they're only gonna get better, guys. So we're gonna give them a flip. There you are. Right now, how it is, this will be considered to be rare. You take it off, serve it. One side is medium, and that's when you rear this like that. I like my medium well. And it will be done. And that's all done. Medium well. Put a steak, a little oil. Okay guys, all done. That's that. Okay guys, here's the chicken. I had in the oven for 40 minutes, but I came up with something else. I'm gonna put on the grill outside for 5 minutes. I'm gonna barbecue it. I always gotta baste your chicken, keep it moist. You like to feel the crunchiness on it already. It's cooked, but I was gonna barbecue it. I wanna put on the grill outside for a little bit. Get a little smoky too, so it'll be nice. Done. That's what I wanted. I wanted the bottom to get like that. Okay guys, here's the end result. Barbecue chicken, chow mein. That's gonna be